Today's hike was Phil's birthday hike, and we decided we would go up to El Cerro Pinto again, and this time we would use the Quarry Ridge. It's a much more difficult and scrambly path to the top, but it was very enjoyable, and I hope you like it. This is the old Asequia, just below FRIGILIANA, which Phil showed me this morning. I'd never walked on it before, but it was really very, very nice with spectacular views down into the Rio Hegaron and a lovely walkway. And I had never known it was here. Not for the faint-hearted. Some of these sections are quite exposed, so you want to have a good head for heights if you decide to walk along this particular route. But it is spectacular. Watch your head, duck. Spectacular views from the top of the quarry down into the Rio Chillard. Beautiful scenery. A lot of frogs down there. There is no trail or path up on the Quarry Ridge. It's just wilderness, picking your way as best you can. It's a superb route, lots of flora. We saw ibex, we saw eagles. Wonderful trail. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Phil. Happy birthday to you. You have to blow out the candle.
It went out on its own. Oh, thank you so much.
That's great.
That was lovely. Now you have to eat.
Birthday cake up in the house. From mountains high to flowing streams, Frigiliana fills my dreams. And so we finish our hike. We hope you enjoyed it. Come back soon.